Are you trying to find a simple and enjoyable way to make money online? ChatGPT is the only place to go. You can make money using this cutting-edge website by interacting with other users and finishing easy chores. The best thing though, joining is absolutely free. To get started, all you need is a computer and an internet connection. With ChatGPT, you can choose how much or how little you want to work and establish your own hours. Why not try it out and see how much money you can make? Join ChatGPT today to start chatting and earning. OpenAI unveiled ChatGPT, a new AI tool that can write code and tell stories, around the end of last month. A dialogue-focused prototype artificial intelligence chatbot called ChatGPT was created by OpenAI. The chatbot is a substantial language model that has been improved using supervised and reinforcement learning methods. The business recently made ChatGPT available for public testing. According to OpenAI, researchers have taught the ChatGPT to converse with users in a conversational style, opening it up to a larger range of users. According to OpenAI, the AI chatbot aids in business and has the potential to replace some tasks currently performed by people, such as writing copy, responding to customer service inquiries, writing news reports, and creating legal documents. This will free up people to concentrate on other important tasks. You can generate money using ChatGPT in a number of different ways. The top 10 ways ChatGPT will help you profit from your business are covered in this post. The internet has been awash in discussion since OpenAI released ChatGPT, and for good reason. Brands can save time and effort by using ChatGPT instead of training their chatbot on questions specific to their business. Since ChatGPT already possesses this knowledge, it is able to give consumers in-depth responses regarding a specific industry or domain right away. ChatGPT can assist you in growing your business and generating income. ChatGPT excels at responding to questions of all kinds and those pertaining to a particular sector. The internet has been awash in discussion since OpenAI released ChatGPT, and for good reason. Brands can save time and effort by using ChatGPT instead of training their chatbot on questions specific to their business. Since ChatGPT already possesses this knowledge, it is able to give consumers in-depth responses regarding a specific industry or domain right away. ChatGPT can assist you in growing your business and generating income. For a general application, ChatGPT has been trained with billions of data points. Using it for something as particular as conversational commerce is feasible, but very few players have the strength to develop it. However, if we are able to teach ChatGPT, we may utilize it to address use cases that are unique to businesses. It is one of the top 10 business benefits of ChatGPT. Taking action on these talks requires APIs that interact with other pertinent systems, even though ChatGPT is a great tool for processing unmatched knowledge and tapping it with human-like conversations. Integrations of conversational commerce with CRM systems require the use of payment systems, marketing platforms, and commerce platforms. By creating an out-of-the-box integration ecosystem with top platforms like Shopify, Salesforce, Zendesk, Razorpay, PayU, and others to support end-to-end customer journeys, many businesses have found success with conversational commerce. The ROI of a product like ChatGPT is difficult to defend in the absence of such integrations. Knowing the appropriate question to ask is just as crucial in conversational AI as knowing the right answer. When a company creates its first chatbot, customer requests may appear endless and challenging to prioritize. However, ChatGPT makes this process considerably easier by identifying and creating ready-to-use conversation flows for the most common use cases clients have when contacting the business. Businesses can get a number of useful advantages from ChatGPT, but one of the finest is that it already has the seed data needed to build a bot. ChatGPT understands the various ways customers may frame inquiries using deep learning. Chatbots can continue adding to the data they have access to until they are self-learning thanks to haptics AI recommendations and feedback loops. How to make cash using ChatGPT. Although ChatGPT can be used to make money, it's crucial to remember that it's an open AI tool and not a platform for doing so. ChatGPT is a chatbot that responds to human input using a big language model called GPT-3 aka Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. It is intended to help in language translation, summarizing information, and providing answers. Earn cash using ChatGPT. You can make money using ChatGPT. Yes, you can make money through chat in this way by starting a blog, writing guest posts, engaging in content marketing, etc. Here are some further details on ChatGPT. As a pre-trained model, ChatGPT has previously undergone extensive training on a large dataset and may be customized for certain tasks or applications. As a result, it can produce replies of a high caliber without the requirement for considerable training data. ChatGPT may be customized for a variety of chatbot applications because it is made to be versatile and adaptive. Depending on the demands of the application, it can undertake a range of jobs and produce responses in a range of styles and tones. Long-form talks can be handled using ChatGPT, which can also preserve context through numerous conversational turns. It can now have more casual, human-like chats with people because to this, responses that are acceptable and pertinent to the conversation's context can be produced via ChatGPT. It can consider the user's input, the conversation's past turns, and any other data that might be pertinent to the work at hand. A potent tool for building chatbots that converse with users in a realistic, human-like manner is ChatGPT. It can be applied to a variety of jobs and applications, including enhancing customer service and delivering information and support. When you use GPT chat and combine it into money-making, creativity is essential. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating chatbots that speak with people in a natural, human-like manner. It can be used for many different professions and purposes, such as boosting customer service and providing guidance and help. 20 methods for making money with ChatGPT are extended out now. Provide paid services and integrate ChatGPT with social media platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord. To get paid instantly in cash, use ChatGPT and post questions and answers on sites like StudyPool. Produce NFTs and sell them on websites like Getty Images, Shutterstock, etc. by using ChatGPT and DALL-E. Using ChatGPT, create an ebook about a subject you're interested in and market it on websites like LeanPub and Gumroad. Use ChatGPT and MurphAI to produce audiobook summaries that you can sell on websites like Findaway Voices and ACX. Create original, top-notch content with ChatGPT for your website or to provide as a paid service to others. If you want to start earning money right away but don't want to wait for AdSense clearance, check out Medium.com and ListVerse. Produce videos and post them to YouTube using ChatGPT, Pictory, and MurphAI. In the future, you can monetize your videos, make money through affiliate marketing, or create videos for other people. Offer your translation services on websites like Guru.com and earn up to $50 or more per hour. To find names for companies and earn hundreds of dollars, use ChatGPT. Visit Naming Force to locate clients. Use ChatGPT and Synthesia to create a course that you can sell on websites like Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, and edX. Create applications, websites, Chrome/Firefox extensions, and other digital products and sell them to businesses or publish them and make money from them if you have programming-related skills. Create works of poetry, prose, music, speeches, mini-movie scripts, case studies, research papers, etc., and sell them on various websites. Using ChatGPT, you may also discover a list of the top-selling platforms. Create and market chatbot templates for use by other companies. If you're a writer, copywriting is another effective strategy. Create stunning copies for your clients by using ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to create social media posts, templates, and advertisements for other people. Create and market chatbots that help users with a variety of daily chores, including as setting reminders, managing schedules, and making purchases. Offer GPT-based language translation services to companies seeking to broaden their customer base internationally. Provide customizable and feature-flexible customer care and support using your ChatGPT chatbot. Develop and market chatbots that assist with mental health. To provide freelancing services, use ChatGPT, and websites like Upwork, Fiverr, etc. Almost anything can be assisted by ChatGPT. There are numerous chances to generate money with ChatGPT technology. You may profit from GPT technology in a variety of ways, whether you sell chatbots, create them, or use them to create goods or offer services. I sincerely hope this was useful. If this article was helpful, please let your friends know. Don't pass up the chance to make money via ChatGPT. You can talk with other people on this enjoyable and straightforward website while completing small chores to make money. You may establish your own hours and it's free to join, making it the ideal full-time or side gig. Why then wait? Discover your earning potential by starting to work with ChatGPT today. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed learning. Give us a subscribe and like this video. If you'd like to engage with us, comment down below. Turn on the notifications bell right now to stay updated with all our content.